You know, being a parent has lots of different strands to it. Things like feeding them and providing for them financially. And if you're separated, encouraging them to have a relationship with your ex-partner. But you know what? Another thing of it is caring for them when they're sick. So it's a good question, this sort of thing. What should you do when your kids are sick and you're separated from your ex-partner? Should the kids stay with the primary carer? Or should the contact pattern or the arrangement you've got your ex remain in place regardless of whether the children are sick? The correct answer to this is that it depends. Both parents should be able to care for their children when they're sick. It might be that your kids have got a cold, or it might be that they're feeling under the weather, or it could be something else. If that's the case, it's really important for kids to know that both parents can care for them. I would say that when a kid is too ill to travel, too ill to get out of bed, that's when they should stay where they are. So if they're with the primary carer and they're due to see the non-primary carer, if they're too sick to get out of bed, they should stay with the primary carer. In the same way that if they're with the non-primary carer and they're too sick to get out of bed, they should remain with the non-primary carer. Both parents should be able to care for their children and should be trusted to do so. Like a lot of stuff in family law, this is a double-edged sword. It's not a case that one parent is able to care for sick children and the other one isn't. Both parents should be able to care for sick children. And as a good parent, you don't want to be dragging your kids around when they're ill. So if you're a primary carer and your children are too sick to go to contact, fine. If they're too sick to travel, fine. Keep them with you. Explain to your ex-partner, say he or she is ill, and I'll keep you updated, of course, and we'll discuss contact in a couple of days' time. Similarly, if you're the non-primary carer, you should accept that, and the opposite is true as well. If you're a non-primary carer and the children are with you for a period and they're ill, you should be able to say to your ex-partner, look, he or she is sick, stuck in bed, really not well. I've spoken to the doctor. Best if he stays in bed. I'll keep you updated. This is normal parenting, normal, reasonable, responsible parenting. You're probably not going to get in trouble if you've got a court order and you're breaking it because you're acting in the best interest of the child. The point is, your best interests come first, and as a parent, you should take that into account at every opportunity.